So here's a fun little problem. How do we get this into here without making a blooming great mess? Now I could sit here and Dremel this out and file it. That would work, but I don't think it'd be clean and tidy. Surely there's a better way, and there is. They make this wonderful thing here, which is a sheet metal punch specifically for these. Unfortunately, these are hideously expensive, nearly 300 British pounds for that, but it's worth it for this wonderful desk. So without further ado, let's see if we can put this through and see if it works, hey? So we have to put this piece behind and we put this piece at the front. So let's thread that into our pre-cut holes, that in here, and bolt it on. Now, you can also do this with a hydraulic add-on. That's another 500 quid or so. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it with this. And that's a bearing that distributes the force. And we're going to check its level. Pretty much just eyeballing this, I've got to be honest. But I've got good eyeballs. And we'll get it just finger tight. And we're going to need to have some cutting fluid. In this case, I'm just using ISO, Propel as we go. And I'm just going to use a spanner, although a socket wrench would be better because it gives, just so we can watch this process. And hopefully, with a little luck, we get a lovely cutout here. Now, it's very stiff, as you'd imagine this. So I have to hold this with both hands. Feels like we're nearly through. It's not as stiff now. It's turning more easily. Can we just spin it now? Yes, we can. So we're definitely through. There we go. So slacken this off. Take the bolt off the other side. We should hopefully just be able to pull this back through now. Maybe push it through. Can disassemble it. Let's push it through. There we go. The piece we've cut out should be in here. You can see it just there. So we'll have to pull that out in a minute. And our D25 should fit through tidily and prettily. There. How nice is that? Much better. A much better solution. And we'll tidy up this with a bit of black paint, obviously afterwards, to give it an even look. Very, very pleased with that. Very, very pleased indeed.